Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a PlayStation account. So if you're into gaming and are looking forward to an online platform where you can indulge in different forms of games, PlayStation is a really wonderful place to be in. So if you're wondering how to create an account on PlayStation, I'm going to guide your way through it. For this, first of all, head over to your web browser and then go to playstation.com. As you go to playstation.com, you will be able to see that on the upper right hand side, there's an option that says sign in. So tap on the sign in button. As soon as you do that, you will now be directed towards another page where you will be asked to enter your credentials in order to sign into your PlayStation account. And on the same page, you will also be able to see an option that says create new account. So tap on create new account. And then when you tap on create new account, you will now be directed towards another interface that will ask you to tap on create. And then what you can do is you have to select your date of birth. So select the month of your birth, the day of your birth, and after selecting the day of your birth, also select the year of your birth. After doing so, what you can do is you can tap on the next button on the upper right hand side. And then you'll have to choose your location. So here I'm just going to try and choose the location of my country. So scroll through and see if you can find your location. And after finding your location, make sure that you tap on the next button. After tapping on the next button, now here it says enter a valid email address and a secure password. So here sign-in ID is your email address. So I'm just going to enter my email address over here. Make sure that you enter yours too. And after entering the email address, all you have to do is set up a password for your account. So here I'm going to set up a password and then re-enter the password in order to confirm the password. After doing this, tap on the next button on the upper right hand side again, and then what will happen is that you'll be directed towards the fourth page where you will have to enter other information. So wait until all the processing is complete. Here I'm still waiting for the things to get verified. So here it says I'll have to solve this puzzle so that they know that I'm a real person who's trying to create this account. So tap on verify. Now you'll have to select a city. So here I'm just going to select a particular city, select the state or province. So do as required and then tap on next. After you tap on next, here it says enter your online ID and your name. So online ID is your username. So I'm just going to enter my username over here and see if the username is available. And after doing this, I also have to enter my name, so I'm just going to enter my name as well, the first name and the last name, and then tap on next again. Now here you have to agree to the terms and conditions and tap on agree and create account. After this, it says here that your account was successfully created, so tap on OK. And this is basically how you can create your PlayStation account. It's a very simple process, but you have to follow in every set of instructions and do it step-by-step manner. I hope this video has been useful to you in guiding you through the processes. If it was helpful, do let us know in the comment section below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. I'll see you around next time.